Says, long shall she live in the glory. It's a Dutch birthday song that they sing. Dank u wel, Tante Corrie, for learning to be true. You learn to shine in the darkest part of life, Tante Corrie, dank u wel. In your father's house in Haarlem, you learn how love should be. We're just stories of God's grace, and we've seen it on your face, Tante Corrie, dank u wel. Oh, you learn to overcome. What a joy it must have been to hear your father say, well done, Tante Corrie. What a very special birthday to be with your family. You've shown us how to live. Now long shall you live in the glory, Tante Corrie, Tante Corrie. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.